Okay, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all healthy and ready to learn today. Okay, before we begin, let's start with a prayer according to each of our beliefs. Let's pray. Okay, finish. Okay, guys. So, who is excited to learn today? Please show me with a thumbs up or an emoji. Okay, great, guys. I think it is so interesting today. Okay, wait a minute, guys. I want to share screen. Okay, guys. So today we will learn a very interesting science topic that we often find in everyday life, which is solid pressure. Okay, our learning goals today is understand the concept and formula of pressures, um, identify the influence of force and surface area on the magnitude of pressures. Yeah. Next, relate the concept of pressure to example from everyday life and connect pressure to real life situation. Okay, guys, I want to ask you something. Have you ever accidentally stepped on a small thorn or a big rock while walking barefoot? Okay, which one hurts more, do you think? The small thorn or the big rock? Okay, that's right. The thorns hurt more. Why do you think that happens? Today, we will find out together. Okay, now take a look at this video. Someone is sit on many sharp nails, but he doesn't get hurt at all. Show this video, guys. I'm sorry. Show this video. Okay, guys, from this video, that's a tradition in India known as the Sandhu bed of nails. A Sandhu is a spiritual person, but today we not focus on the culture or spiritual, but we focus on the science. Okay, from the video, what do you think? Strange? Right. But don't worry, guys, it's not magic. There is a scientific explanations behind it. Okay. Today, we will be doing a simple experiment at home. We are going to prove what makes pressure strong or weak and prepare your tools and your enthusiasm. Okay, but before that, before we begin the experiment, I want you to understand a bit about the concept of pressures. So, pressures is the force applied to a surface divided by all the area of that surface. Okay, the formula of the pressure is force divided by surface area. Force divided by surface area. That means if a large force is applied to a small area, the pressure will be very high. Examples are syringes, high heels, or nails. Okay, so you will be proof this through the balloon and nails experiment. So you will prove this through the balloon and nail experiments. Okay, you will see what happens when a balloon is pressed onto a single nails and what happens when it's pressed onto many nails. Are you ready to experiments? Okay, let's move on to the experiment instructions. Okay, guys, now we are moving to the experiments. Make sure you must have two balloons, one single nail, and a board full of nails. If you are ready, let's begin with the first step. First, take one balloon and blow it up. Now, gently press the balloon onto the single nails. Okay. What happened, guys? Did the balloon poop? Did the balloon poop? Okay, yes. Why do you think that happened? We will discuss that soon. Let's continue to the second experiment. Take your second balloon, blow it up just like before, and now place it gently on top of the many closely arranged nails. What do you observe now? Did the balloon pop? Okay, no. Awesome. This is what we are going to analyze. Write down your results in your worksheets or your notebooks. Don't forget to answer the question in your worksheet. What's the difference between the first and second experiment? Why did the balloon pop more easily on single nails? And what the relationships between surface area and pressure? Okay, you have 5 to 7 minutes to write your answers and discuss them in small groups or your chat group. Okay, now let's discuss your experiment result. Who can explain what happened when the balloon was pressed on a single nails? Anyone can speak? Unmute your mic. Okay, great. The balloon is popped, and what happened when the balloon was placed on many nails? Okay, exactly. Pressures become higher when a force is applied to a small surface area. But if the surface area is large, the pressures becomes smaller. Okay, that's why the balloon poops easily with one nail, but not with many nails. Okay, let's make a conclusion together. What is the relationships between surface area and pressure? Okay, great. Our conclusion is the smaller the surface area. I'm sorry. Our conclusion is the smaller the surface area, the greater the pressures, and the larger the surface area, the smaller the pressure. Okay. Okay, guys. What was the most interesting thing you learned today? Type in the chat box, or you can raise your hand to speaking your opinion. Okay, awesome. You were amazing today. You have proven basic and real life right from your own homes. Okay, okay, guys. Next. Okay, guys. Please complete this short formative assessments as reflections and review. I have shared the link in the form of a QR code on the screen. Please scan this QR code using your phone or click the link I post in the chat. You may start filling it now. I will give you around 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, if you are done, type selesai or done in the chat. Okay, thank you guys for your participation today. For next time, we will continue with real life application of pressure. Okay, keep learning with passion and stay healthy, everyone. See you in the next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.